Okay. Pretty much got the kit in place now. I don't know if good you can see here, but anyway. Got it clamped up here, holding it tight to the frame. Gonna make some final measurements. Got my lower trailing arm bolt in, the upper trailing arm bolt inside. Pull tight against the frame. Gotta make a couple measurements. Make sure everything's right. See, basically you go from the front. Okay, so yeah, basically from the front of the front bolt to the front of the back bolt, which would be center to center, I got 57.25. Okay, so let me go check the other side, make sure I'm 57.25 on the other side. Just make sure that Jeep's frame is square. And then you got to make your measurement. You got to measure down from the top of the frame to the center of the bolt. About so we're about 6 1/16 to center. Okay, so you gotta measure your other side. Make sure you have the same exact measurements down and front to back. Keeps your frame square. And once that's set, then you can start welding the frame in. Okay.